I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Coospo BC107. First, carefully unbox your new device and all its components. Ensure the unit is fully charged before its initial use. This typically takes about 2 to 3 hours. Next, attach the BC107 securely to your bike's handlebars using the included out-front mount, ensuring a clear view of the screen. Now, let's pair your external sensors. Power on the BC107 and access the sensor pairing menu. Activate your ANT Plus or Bluetooth heart rate monitor, speed sensor, and cadence sensor. The BC107 will automatically detect nearby active sensors. Select each one from the list and confirm the pairing to ensure accurate data collection during your rides. Next, we'll configure the basic settings. Navigate to the settings menu to choose your preferred unit system, either metric or imperial. It's crucial to input your wheel circumference accurately for precise speed and distance measurements. Consult your tire's sidewall for this value. Finally, customize your data fields to display up to 6 metrics simultaneously, such as speed, distance, and heart rate. For your first ride, ensure all sensors are active and data fields are visible. Begin your ride to confirm everything is working correctly. Once finished, end and save the activity on your BC107. To review your performance, open the Coospo Ride app on your smartphone, connect the device via Bluetooth, and sync your ride data. This allows for detailed analysis and tracking of your progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.